Morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, sons and daughters, the most respected, honorable doctors and ministers, professionals and officials, listeners and learners, students and scholars, those who are listening from the world of science, religion, engineering, spirituality, commerce, arts. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is really praiseworthy and admirable for knowing the truth of life. What is the truth of life? What is the science and spirituality which we will know from the word of God, who has gave us the power, who has gave us energy to listen, to speak, to read, to write, to learn a number of unknown things. He who has showed us the path of originality. Our Indian history is studded with so many great personalities. But my point of view, there are so many national heroes like Mahatma Gandhi. He is called the father of the nation. If today we are independent, main credit goes to Gandhiji. He stands apart from other leaders of the 20th century. He was the moving force of the millennium. But we cannot refuse the contribution of our nationalistic and patriotic leaders. When we go through the India's struggle for freedom, there were numberless and nameless people who sacrificed themselves for the freedom of our country. Gandhiji's greatest weapon was non-violence. He never allowed use of violence even when the Britishers treated brutally with innocent Indians. He himself underwent torture inflicted by the Britishers. He had firm and unflinching faith in God and truth. Self-help and respect for manual job brought him very close to the hearts of the people. In South Africa, he started Satyagraha, which spread all over India and eventually brought India her freedom. If we think about the starters, initiators of the different religions, of the movements, those who were against the social evils, atrocities, injustice, there were a numberless and nameless people, unregistered, unnoticed, because they haven't shown themselves openly Who is the witness? Who is the evidence of that persons? Air, fire, soil, sky and water, and even sound and light of that time. Those who have sacrificed themselves, those who were martyrdom, they were not selfish. It was the dream in their mind to spend the life for the freedom of soul. They were not less than the doctors. They were not less than the social reformers. They were the true freedom fighters, free thinkers, prophets. They were not less than leaders even, because they were the leader of their soul. They shone us the path of the truth and non-violence. Gandhiji was a selfless worker fighting for a noble cause. He was not only a freedom fighter but also a social worker par excellence. He fought for the rights of the downtrodden people. Great leaders of the world saluted this lean but great personality, grand personality. Even Einstein, the father of modern science, said, the future generation will not easily believe that a such man in flesh and blood did ever tread on the earth. Yes, not only Indians but almost all the people in the world know him, and he is so popular in countries like USA, UK, Canada, Holland, South Africa and others that names of the streets are given after the name of Mahatma Gandhi. His birthday 2nd October is declared as the day of non-violence by the UNO. Yes, of course, South great personalities do have an impact on the society, and their sacrifice and achievements are made clear before the people. I have no doubt that Mahatma Gandhi can be equally great even today. The lesson of truth and non-violence is relevant even today. No doubt there are some doubts in minds of the youngsters regarding the policies of M.K. Gandhi, but all these doubts can easily be removed if they are given full knowledge about Gandhiji. Yes, it will give the children an information about the achievements and sacrifices of these national heroes. They can become the motivating force of the students. But in this present time, who is sacrificing himself totally? We are not to talk about party and politics. We just think about the welfare of nation and society. Who is selfless who can brought a name fame of our nation, who can control the economy of nation. Today our economy of our country has been totally devastated. As the natural disaster is devastating, the economy is being devastated, demolished. So for improving our economy, we need a great leader of economy who can lead the country's people